gas break, and today we are doing Boxycharm for May. Cannot believe it's already May. I feel like I say that every month, but let's see what's in my Boxycharm for this month. Sit back, take a break with me. So, first of all, I just got home from work. I took my hair that has been wadded up in a bun on the top of my head all day long and just let it down. There's some lip gloss on. This makeup's been on for a very long time. And I was gonna wait to open this, but I'm like, it's been such a long, awful day. And tomorrow doesn't look much better, if I'm being honest. That I was like, I want something to make me happy and that's fun. And then Boxycharm was in the mailbox. So I will show you what I did for most of my day today. Open it here. So, these are chocolate covered strawberries. They are enormous and beautiful. And I made these for a large portion of my day. And it was very busy, but it is fun too. But yeah, so that is what I did at work today. And it's just a long day. Plastic packaging is noisy. Alright, so if you don't know, Boxycharm is $21 a month. It's a monthly subscription. You get, I think it's 4 to 5 full-size products. If you do like 3 months at a time, it's a little bit cheaper. Like I usually do 3 months at a time, and it's $19 a month plus tax. So let's get into this. So the box, first of all, is a different shape. It's usually like wider, but more square. So interesting. I have not seen a single spoiler for this month, so I'm super excited to get into this. Alright, so looks like the theme for this month is Make Waves. Cute. And let's see. From Ciate London, we got an eye luster, a cream eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. And this retails for $22. Okay, that's kind of pretty. Oh, that's really pretty, actually. It's kind of like got like a pinky, purpley, goldy kind of shift to it. That's really pretty. Cool. From Dose of Colors, we have Liquid Matte Lipstick. This retails for $18. And this looks like it's in the shade Pinky Promise. Yeah. Oh, why? I want to try this, but I don't want to try this color. That is crazy bright. Gosh, I don't even want to swatch it. Alright. Yeah, no. I mean, could you imagine? Should we put it on? Sure. Why not? Let's see how bright this really is. Oops. Left that door open and now I got a cat in here. I'm going to see if I can grab him before he hides under the bed. Nope. There he goes. Alright, let's see. Try to wipe off what I have on. So it's crazy bright. It's kind of pretty though. Whoa. Can you see me? That is crazy bright. I don't even know what to say about that. I kind of think it looks pretty, but I feel like if I walked out of my house like this, people would be wondering where the circus is. I don't know. Alright. Like, holy neon. Alright, next up from Ice Glam Glow, Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Now the cat's under the bed. So, this is supposed to be gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities, soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free all skin types. So that's kind of cool. Sorry if you can hear the cat, he's scratching around over there now. Let's see what it's like. So maybe it'll bubble with water. Let's see if we can make it. Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. I do see some bubbles in there. Let's put some more on. Oh, it started to. I don't know. Can't really see it. There's a light fragrance to it, but I don't notice a lot, so that's kind of cool. This retails for $28. Cool. Looks like from Bodyography, we got an eyeliner pencil. This retails for $14, and this is in the shade Emerald. I don't hate that. Oh, it might be funny there. Yeah. That's actually a really pretty color. Unlike this disaster. You know, I will say it's a little sticky and kind of out of my lip lines a little bit, but the formula of this I don't mind so much. I just wish it weren't like, oh, pink. Alright, last in the box this month, and I'm really excited about this. From Elamar Cosmetics, we have the Colorette Blush Trio. It retails for $22. First of all, I think this packaging is really cute. And let's see the inside. I've never seen this before. I love the, oh, what is that? Eyeshadow palette we got from Elamar Cosmetics before. Can't think of what it's called. Oh, this is cute. Oh, yay. So it does have a mirror and then 3 blush shades. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, they feel really nice. Let's see. Meow. What you doing, kitty? Oh, those are pretty colors. This last one might be a little too orange for me, but those are pretty. Want to come up, buddy? Come here. Which one are you? Hi, Mackie. Oh, come here, fatso. So, this is Mac. And he doesn't apparently want to speak to us. Let's not show them your butt. What are you doing? Are you better now? Is your brother in here too? Are you going? Okay. Oh, that was Mac. Okay, so this was Boxycharm for May. What is this? I don't know. I would like to try this formula without it being neon pink. Like, I feel like, I don't know what they're doing or what they're going for here. Like, I feel like, okay, this is fun, but I don't know. Do a lot of people like this? I feel like it looks kind of pretty looking at myself in the viewfinder. But where am I going to go with this? I don't know. I'm really excited about the blush palette. The cleanser is useful. And I like cream eyeshadows. I have been doing more simple looks because I've been so busy lately. Where I just do a crease color and throw something all over my lid. And cream shadows are great for that. So, yay. This color is, whoa! And I don't use a ton of eyeliners. But, I mean, I do like the color and I like that it's not just a traditional black eyeliner. So if it applies nicely, it might be fun to have. So if you got Boxycharm or if you've tried any of these products, like, sorry, I thought it was on my teeth. What are your thoughts on them? Did you get different stuff than I did? Did you like the box this month? I'm just kind of meh. And honestly, that's kind of how I've been feeling. I feel like quite a bit lately with Boxycharm. Just kind of meh. The total value of this month's box, I believe my math was correct, was $104. So it's a good value, but I don't know. I used to always feel like really excited when I got done with my Boxycharm, and I just... Alrighty, that was it for today's video. If you have not yet subscribed and you like subscription boxes and makeup, we'd love for you to join us. And I hope that you have a super, super great day. I'll see you next time. Bye! You have lipstick on you! Oh, you poor baby. Come here. Guys, this pink lipstick, he has it on his head. Poor baby.